In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept a booking using the WP Travel Engine plugin. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to manage bookings effectively right from your WordPress dashboard. Now let's jump right into the process. First things first, to access all the functionalities we'll discuss, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for all site-related activities. So go ahead, open your preferred web browser, type in your site URL, followed by WP admin, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the familiar dashboard screen. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu where all your plugins and features are listed. Find the WP Travel Engine option, click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select Bookings. This is where all the bookings made through your site are managed and reviewed, making it an important area to get familiar with. Once you've clicked through, you'll see a list of all new and pending bookings displayed here. This list is updated in real time as new bookings come in, so you can always be sure you're seeing the most current information. It's important to regularly check this list to stay on top of new requests. To proceed, locate the booking you want to accept. There'll be an option right next to it that says View Details. Click on that to get more specific information about the booking. This is where you can deeply review what's been arranged. In this detailed view, you will find all the critical information needed for evaluation, including traveler details, the trip name, dates, and any relevant payment information. Take your time to review these thoroughly to ensure everything aligns with your offerings and agreements. This step confirms that all details are correct before proceeding any further. Next, you'll want to scroll down the page until you find the booking status section. This is crucial because it's where you'll actually change the booking from pending to confirmed. Depending on the version of your WP Travel Engine plugin, you might see confirmed or accepted. This action is what formally accepts the booking on your end. Finally, after you've confirmed the status change, don't forget to click Update Booking. This will save all the changes you made and update the booking status officially. It's essential to remember this step. Without it, your changes won't be recorded. Voila! You've successfully accepted a booking using the WP Travel Engine. Learning this process helps ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you manage your bookings effortlessly. Stay tuned for more tutorials that empower you to take full control of your WordPress site functions.